Hello, welcome to my channel Aras Inverter. Professional repair and troubleshooting of industrial and household inverter drivers. In this video, you will see the process of testing and repairing a Schneider Electric Altistart 22 soft starter. At Aras Inverter, we specialize in diagnosing, repairing, and testing wiring in Aras Inverter driver automation system, including Schneider Electric, Siemens, ABB, LS Electric, Delta, Omron, Danfoss, Fuji Electric, Mitsubishi Electric. If your inverter driver is industrial control system has stopped working or showing error code, contact us today for professional service and fast repair. Aras Inverter, reliable in inverter repair, testing and troubleshooting.